Alright, let's look at the practice exam 3, problem number 11. Alright, so we want to come up with parametric equation for the surface obtained by rotating the curve y equals 1 over x from x goes from 1 to 3 about the x-axis. Right, so I already drew the surface here. Right, so this is the red curve is the y equals 1 over x, and if you rotate about the x-axis, you're going to get this surface, and the x is going from 1 to 3. All right, so let's say x is already given to be, so here, x is already given to be u, right? So we have to use v to the v and u to express the other two components. Alright, so x is u, so I'm going to just mark u somewhere here. So u is between 1 and 3, so u is here. Alright, so the surface is going to be, so this is going to be at u. So you're going to get the circle right here. Alright, so it probably looks somewhat like this. Right, so that's on the surface. Right, then all you have to do is kind of use the angle. So let's say you have, maybe I'm going to use a red here. So I'm going to say angle here would be theta, right? Then we want to express, the points on this circle. All right. So what we can do is we can just use the so the radius is determined this by a function value, right? So function value there is going to be x value u is u. So the radius here is going to be simply 1 over u, right? So this is y equals 1 over u there, because this is just from the x-axis to the curve. 1 over x. All right, then this is going to be, so radius is 1 over u, then y component is going to be 1 over u, so this is 1 over u there, and then cosine of theta. So you can take 1 over u, that's basically the radius, then y component is going to be cosine of theta, or actually we should use v. All right. Then let's see, z component is going to be 1 over u sine of v, right? So we're just looking at the z component up here, right? So you just have to do sine of theta. Sorry, I called this theta. This is actually supposed to be v, right? So instead of theta there, I should have v there, right? So this is going to be, so the y component is 1 over u cosine of v, and z component is going to be 1 over u sine of v, right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.